with. How do you get all the tags off so you can film a Warrior Cat TikTok or video? Well, I was struggling with this, and there's literally no anything that could help me do that, and then I just figured it out. So you're going to go to settings, and then you're just going to disable all of this stuff besides flashing lights, so just write our names, especially show player billboards. But then disable everything else. If you hear background noise right now, I am on the road. So that way you have like the territory, the clan territory, anything technically. And then you do that, and then the app I'm using is AZ Screen Recorder. That's what you need to do. You need to use that one. That's like the best one that it has. And you can crop out the crouch, walk, trot, canter, sprint button in the chat bubbles and the little arrow that shows you the buttons for like name, role, go back to editor, and all of that stuff. And you can just do it and use a YouTube MP3 video converter for your audio if you want to do that. So, and I'm going to put an example after this. So, bye.